Hey friends, Vin here. So I've had a few people reach out to me and ask me why am I participating with this new business model with EpicSlim, and I want to get into that in today's training. Today's training is for a seasoned network marketer, someone who's been involved in a network marketing, home-based business, direct selling industry for any period of time. If you are, you know you are in the business of providing a business opportunity. There are two reasons why people stop participating in a network marketing business. The first reason is they're spending more money monthly than they're making. They're doing the things, they're showing up consistently, they're enrolling some people, but they can't seem to get ahead where they're making positive cash flow. That's a problem for you if you're involved in a network marketing business. If you have a team of people that aren't making money, ultimately you're going to stop making money. And this is why we've seen so many companies go in and out of momentum. I personally stopped participating in the traditional network marketing business model in 2020 when I figured out a few things about the model itself. Network marketing companies generally have great products, so it's not a lack of great products, great people, leadership. The issue has been the traditional network marketing business model itself, that mathematically people can't break even and people can't get into positive cash flow very easily. So that's the first reason people stop participating with a network marketing business, obviously, is if they're in a deficit every single month. This is not exclusive to network marketing either. I mean, this is obvious. If someone owns a restaurant or a clothing store or any traditional business, if they're in the red in a deficit every single month, that business is in trouble and it will ultimately go out of business. Same thing with network marketing. If your business is in a deficit every single month and you're doing the things, you're showing up consistently, you're enrolling people, you're on the Zooms, you're doing everything you can, but you can't seem to get ahead and you're in a deficit every single month, that's why people quit. Now, the second reason people stop participating with their business is they're not making significant income. We see this happening in the membership model. In January 2023, the membership model hit the network marketing industry and took the industry by storm. When I saw that business model, I was like, wow, this is a phenomenal new innovation. This is really going to disrupt the network marketing industry. And sure enough, that did in fact happen. Within the first 12 months of the company launching in the membership space, the subscription model, that company acquired just under 1 million paid affiliates, and in 2 years acquired just under 1.7 million paid affiliates. Went on to become the fastest growing company literally in network marketing history. Great company, great concept. I'm currently a platinum affiliate in that business model. The only downside to that business model is the profit margins. A lot of people find it very difficult to make significant enough income to give that business model their full attention. As great as that business model is, you do need thousands of people in your organization in order to make full-time income. You need hundreds of people in that organization to make hundreds of dollars per month. And a lot of people that are beginners in the network marketing industry or people that just cannot sponsor a lot of people find that very difficult. They find it difficult to build a team of 100, 200, 300 people. It's not that these aren't good people. It's just they're busy. They're not professional network marketers. They can sponsor 2 people, 5 people, 10, 20, even 30 people, but they're not going to sponsor hundreds of people. And a lot of times they find themselves spinning their wheels after 12 months, 18 months in that business. So in this training, I want to illustrate the difference between the traditional network marketing, the membership marketing, and the new affiliate model with this EpicSlim program. So if you're new to network marketing or you are a beginner or if you've never done network marketing before, this could really be perfect timing for you because you're not carrying the baggage of being involved in network marketing for such a long period of time. A lot of people have that MLM PTSD and they simply don't want to participate anymore. But the reality is we know that leverage works. We know that people looking to build an online income, people are realizing with the traditional economy, having a W-2 job simply is not enough to get ahead with the increased prices of food, clothing, and shelter, aging parents, and growing kids. And also, a lot of people that are college-aged are getting involved in home-based businesses, and they need a business that they can make $200, $300, $400, $500 a month, and they can do it relatively quickly with relative ease. These are some of the things to consider when you participate with a network marketing business, and this is why this particular business has a lot of seasoned networkers participating now because these things are in place. It's an 8-year-old company, so it has the feel of a startup, but it's not a startup. The company is debt-free. They own the real estate, they have no leasing, they own the manufacturing, they own the software. They've already done 600 million in sales and paid out millions in commissions. So sometimes when you get started with a startup, if you've been involved in this industry for any period of time, you know that things don't always go so smoothly. This is why the launch of EpicSlim went off without a hitch. Everything went very smoothly. Now, I'm going to speak about passive income long-term, how to make full-time income plus, and why this model is designed for beginners, because as we know, it's all about retention. If you want residual income, reoccurring income, you need retention. Again, the number one people quit is because they are in a perpetual deficit. Let's do a comparison between traditional networking, the membership model, and this new affiliate model. This is you when you get started. In traditional network marketing, it's usually $150 a month, which creates 100 points in business volume. When you pay the $150 a month, you usually get a product or service. The membership model is $10 a month. There's no volume. You don't get a product or service for that $10 a month, but you do get access to membership pricing. For this new affiliate model, it's $45 a month, which creates 35 points in business volume. The $45 a month gets you the product. Now, every business, when you get started, you're in a monthly deficit, whether it's traditional, membership, or affiliate, whether you're spending $150 a month, $10 a month, or $50 a month. The key is obviously to get into a surplus as quickly as possible. So for the remainder of this training, I want to speak about leverage and building an asset, residual income. Like T. Harv Eker says, you become financially free when your passive income exceeds your expenses. This is the same thing with your business. When a business is in deficit every single month, it's not going to last. So let's do a comparison. In this example, the traditional model is a binary, membership is a matrix, and this new affiliate model is using a binary as well. The traditional model is $150 a month, creates 100 points in business volume, paid 10% on the LVL, lesser volume leg, paid to infinite levels. The matrix is $10 a month. There's no volume. Paid 2.5% on the dollar amount of that $10 up to 16 levels. The new affiliate plan is a binary as well, $45 a month, 35 points in business volume, paid 10% on the lesser volume leg to infinite levels. This pay actually goes up to 20%. In this example, we will use a 20% check match on personals with the traditional network marketing model. The membership model is 50% match on personals. This is the bread and butter of the membership model. This is why when people enroll hundreds of people, this is where the majority of their check comes from. The new affiliate model also has 20% check match on all personals. So this is the main difference. What I'm going to show you right now is the one thing that really separates this new affiliate model from the traditional network marketing business model and the membership model. And that's this lifestyle bonus that's paid out residually. So for the remainder of this training, I really want you to stay dialed into this. The traditional and membership do not have this lifestyle bonus, and this new affiliate model does. It's when you have two that sponsor two, you make $50 a month residual. When you have three that sponsor three, you make $150 a month residual. When you have four that sponsor four, you have a $250 a month residual. And when you have five that sponsor five, it pays $350 a month in residual income. These numbers are all doubled when a team is consuming two products a month rather than one, and we'll show you more of that in this training. What I want to show here is the basic building block of any network. When you get started and bring in two personals, it's important to have duplication and have those two sponsor two. When you have two that sponsor two, that's called the 2x2. So you see here with traditional, your residual is $30. Membership, your residual is $2. And the affiliate, your residual is $21. In each scenario, you are still in a deficit. You're spending more money residually than you're making residually. However, the affiliate model has the lifestyle bonus paid residually. So in this scenario, you're getting paid a 2x2 $50 a month residual bonus, which now puts you in a surplus with the affiliate plan. In all three examples, we're building a team of 6. But with the traditional model, you're still in a deficit, as well as the membership model, you're still in a deficit. But with the affiliate model, you're in a surplus. Again, the number one issue why people stop participating is they're spending more money monthly than they're making monthly. The easier it is for the beginner to get to positive cash flow, the better. We want to develop leaders and help people. Unfortunately, in traditional network marketing and even the membership model, people don't stick around long enough or make enough money in order to develop long-term leadership. This is a major difference in this new affiliate model because everyone wants the same thing. We want to make long-term, full-time residual income, and we want to do it with people that are succeeding. So again, in this example, traditional team of 6, you're in a deficit. Membership team of 6, you're in a deficit. Affiliate team of 6, you're in a surplus. So what do we do next after we complete the 2x2 is we enroll a third person. When that person enrolls 3, and your first 2 personals enroll 1, you're now 3x3. With the traditional model, your residual is $40. The membership model, your residual is $4.62. And the affiliate model, your residual is $78. Traditionally, you're still in a deficit. Membership, you're in a deficit. And with the affiliate model, you've been in a surplus since the 2x2. But now you add a 3x3 lifestyle bonus for an additional $150 a month. So the total residual income is $178 per month. Now, this is with a team of 12 doing the same activities with the same three businesses. You could see in the traditional and membership model, you're still in a deficit. And with the affiliate model, you're in a surplus with just a team of 12. And you've been in a surplus since you had a team of 6. So we completed the 3x3 model. Now, when we go to the 4x4 model, that's when you personally enroll 4 affiliates, and each of those 4 affiliates enroll their 4 affiliates. You're now 4x4 with a total team of 20. With traditional is $100 per month. With the membership model, your residual is $8.37 per month. And with the affiliate model, your residual is $185 per month. That is when you add the binary income plus the 3x3 income. And as you can see, traditional and membership with a team of 20, you're still in a deficit every single month. Where with the affiliate model, you're at a residual of $185 a month. And obviously, you've been in a surplus since the 2x2. Now that you're 4x4, you add a $250 a month residual bonus. That takes your monthly residual to $285 per month. And again, you see, with traditionally you're spending $150 a month, making $100 a month, so you're in a deficit. With the membership model, you're spending $10 a month and making $8.37 per month in residual income, again, still in a deficit. With the affiliate model, you're spending $50 a month, but you're making $285 a month in residual income. Again, this is by doing the same business activities, the same revenue producing activities. Next, if we look at the 5x5 model, you personally enrolled 5 affiliates. Each of those 5 affiliates all enrolled their 5 affiliates. You see, with the traditional model, you're still in a deficit every single month because you're only making $120 a month when spending $150 a month. With the membership model, you're spending $10 a month. You're in a surplus because you're making $10.36 per month. Where with the affiliate model, you've been in a surplus since the 2x2, but now because the 5x5 $350 a month residual bonus, you're making $385 in residual income. You see here again with the membership model, you're spending only $10 a month, and yes, you're in a surplus, but at this point, after going 5x5, the math shows you're really only in a surplus of 36 cents. And so at this point, you've built a team of 30. In traditional, you're still in a deficit of $30 a month. With the membership model, you're in a profit of 36 cents a month. And with the affiliate model, you're making $335 a month in residual income. Again, no one's retiring by making $335 a month. But when you're building out a network and you have someone that you've been working with that goes 5x5 and they're still in a deficit of $30 per month, the likelihood of holding on to that person and that business decreases. Similarly, with the membership model, when you work with someone that has gone 5x5 and they're building a network, but they're not really making a significant enough income to show up consistently and be excited about that business, that's going to make it difficult. Whereas when you're working with someone who's in a profit every single month, and that profit being a pretty good monthly residual income of $335, now you have someone that you can help them make full-time income. That's how you get to 6 figures. Next, when you look at this lifestyle bonus, the 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, 5x5, those residual incomes are made when you're just purchasing one product for $50 per month. Should you be building a team of people that purchase 2 products a month or create 70 points in business volume, those lifestyle bonuses now double. So you see here, the 2x2 is $100 a month residual income. The 3x3 is $300 a month in residual income. The 4x4 is $500 a month in residual income, and the 5x5 is $700 a month in residual income. So by comparison, when doing the same amount of work, you see the numbers with the affiliate plan. If you're spending $90 a month, the residual income in the same scenario is $735 a month for a profit of $645 a month. That's with a team of 30. On the left, with traditional, to make $735 a month for a profit of $585 a month, you need a team of 148 people. And with the membership model, to make $735 per month, you're going to need a team of anywhere between 500 and 800 people. The numbers are the numbers. This all comes back to the break-even point. What size of a team do you have to build in order to break even? And remember, when you're building a business, it's not even about you. It's about the team that you have. So when you have a team of people that have a more difficult process, it ends up making it more difficult for everyone. This is why some leaders that have seen this already and are looking at this business model are saying, hey, I can help someone do this for sure. I can help someone sponsor 2 people and help those people sponsor 2 people. That I can do. All comes down to math. When you have a system that you need more people to break even, it's going to geometrically create a situation where you're going to have more attrition. One of the last things I want to illustrate is this. The average affiliate stays in network marketing for 2.7 months. So in this example, let's just say someone gets started and they don't come out of the box like some of these gurus do and sponsor 100 people in their first month. It's a beginner, someone who's new, someone who's been involved in network marketing for any period of time, and they don't move as fast as everyone else. This actually makes up the majority of your network when you build a business like this. So in this example, let's just say it takes someone 2 months and those 2 people sponsor 2 people to build a team of 6. And as we illustrated in the previous slides, this is what the numbers will come out to. You see traditional and membership, they're in a deficit after 2 months, where with the affiliate plan, they're already in a surplus within the first 2 months. When most people stop building between month 2 and month 3, this is where you're going to experience a lot of attrition. This is why this affiliate model over the long term can not only protect your business from attrition, but can help you build a team and an organization where you can develop leaders. Let's look at 4 months. If it takes an individual or a beginner, someone part-time, 4 months to sponsor 3 people that sponsor 3 and build a team of 12, when you compare the 3 business models, there really isn't much of a comparison. You see that after 4 months, both traditional and membership, they're still in a deficit, where with the affiliate plan, they're in a surplus. When most people quit between month 2 and month 4, this makes a better offering for the affiliate model for someone who wants to build a long-term residual income. Here's an example after 6 months. Takes someone 6 months to sponsor 4 people that sponsor 4 to build the team of 20. Both traditional and membership are still in a deficit, where again, the affiliate model, since month number 2, has been in a surplus. Now they're making significantly more income, and now you have people in their organization to assist them in their first 2 months to get to 2 by 2. So for a leader to tap root these lines and get people into the profit with building a team of 6 is just very appealing. Here's the example. After 8 months, you have a 5 by 5. It takes someone, a beginner, someone part-time, someone who's not a pro, someone who has MLM PTSD, takes them 8 months to sponsor 5 people that sponsor 5 and builds a team of 30. You could see here in traditional network marketing, they're still in a deficit. It's probably why they never even made it that far. This is why this example has been very difficult and very challenging and less appealing for people to participate in 2025. Now, in the membership model, you're in a surplus, but you're only making 36 cents in this example. Sure, your expense is only $10 per month, but you're making 36 cents and you built a team of 30 people sponsoring 5 people that sponsored 5. It's made it very challenging for people to stay in a business where they see themselves making a full-time income. This is why after 8 months, people going 5 by 5, they build a team of 30. These 2 models have been obviously a challenge, where with the affiliate model, someone's making surplus of $685 and they've been in a surplus since the 2nd month. So it's much easier to keep people engaged month 2 months, after 4 months, 6 months, 8 months, and beyond, because they're making a profit in their business residually. So the building block is very simple. You set your rotator to alternate leg, 1 left, 1 right, 1 left, 1 right, 1 left, and you keep doing this. In the meantime, you'll identify those 5 people that sponsor their 5 people. Now you have a team of 5 by 5. You don't even have to understand the binary or any other part of the compensation plan. This is the main focus of the business. This is all we teach. All we speak about is 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. When you get to 5 by 5, you're making $700 a month in residual income just from the lifestyle bonus. That doesn't include all the other portions of the compensation plan. So you just keep it simple and focus on the 2 by 2. When you do this, you end up building an empire of people that are in positive cash flow. These will be the people that you take from 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5. And by doing this, you run through all of the ranks. This is how people get to 5 figures plus per week in residual income. So it all goes back to the business model, helping the people, the beginners on the front end of the compensation plan, get into a surplus, get into a positive cash flow. People get into business and stay in business to build a residual income. So if you want more information about this, click the link below. I have a funnel that'll take you through a series of videos. I have a private Facebook group. We do private Zooms. We do more trainings like this. The way I like to teach and train is not with hype. It just comes down to math, understanding what it is you're looking to create, what type of income are you looking to produce. We want to show you how to systemize and automate this entire process using funnels, systems, and automation. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you at the top. Let's go do it.